A USB not being detected can feel like a hardware failure, but in most cases, the problem is port issues, driver glitches, power settings, or corrupted USB formatting inside Microsoft Windows. The key is to test systematically, not randomly switch ports. 1. Try different USB port or device. Start with hardware basics. Plug USB into another port. Try another computer if possible. Test a different USB device. If other devices work, the issue is your USB drive, not the PC. 2. Restart the computer. A restart resets USB controllers and clears temporary glitches. USB detection services often freeze silently in the background. After reboot, reconnect the device and check again. 3. Check disk management. Sometimes USB is detected but not shown in this PC. Open disk management. Look for unallocated or missing drive letters. Assign a new drive letter if needed. This fixes many invisible USB cases. 4. Update or reinstall USB drivers. Driver issues are a major cause. Go to Device Manager, Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Then, update driver or uninstall USB root hub and restart Windows. Automatically reinstalls fresh drivers. 5. Disable USB power saving mode. Windows may turn off USB ports to save power. Go to Power Settings and disable USB Selective Suspend. This prevents sudden disconnections or detection failures. 6. Check for file system errors. If USB is corrupted, Windows may not recognize it. Try Disk Repair Tools format only if data is not needed. Corruption is common after unsafe removal. 7. Scan for malware or system conflicts. Some malware blocks external devices. Run a full system scan using Microsoft Defender to ensure system integrity. 8. Check physical damage. If nothing works, vent connector, broken USB port, internal memory failure. At this point, hardware damage is likely. Strategic insight: USB detection issues usually fall into 3 categories: connection, port failure, driver, or system glitch. Drive corruption. Most users assume the USB is dead, but often it's just a missing driver or drive letter issue. Final conclusion: before replacing your USB, start with port change, restart, disk management.